today we're finally doing her Mother's Day gift.
Yay, we get to ride the Virginia Creeper Trail. We're gonna ride bikes.
I'll ride that. Back pedal for me. That feel pretty good? Okay, it's gonna work?
Is that a good one? Ah!
Okay, none of us got car sick on the way to the top. Maddie,
It's questionable.
we'll do some updates every couple miles. Had to slam on brakes. Look at this view. Oh my goodness. Also, there's a whole field and a half of squash. I love America.
Kitty kitty.
All right, Mom. Right at 3 miles. How are we doing?
Butt's a little tired already, but I'm enjoying it.
Maddie, what about you? 3 miles in?
It's a blast.
Black one too.
Oh, there's a black.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely loving it. I'm having a blast. Okay, enough with the brakes. Back to action. This might be a good time to say these are not my kids, they're my nephews. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. We had a little mud incident. Everybody's covered in mud from mud puddles. Oh, look at this thing. Feel weird. Just short of 7 miles, we got cranky kids. Always happens. Stopping for lunch. Mom, halfway there, what do you think?
I'm having a great time. Yeah, we're a little over halfway. I'm at 9.79 miles.
We can any longer, but we can.
Actually, can I just stop?
Okay, quick food review. So, barbecue sandwich, chicken salad on a lettuce wrap, nachos, hot dog,
That's chicken salad on a bed of lettuce.
and then chicken salad on actual wrap.
In a wrap, yeah.
Mom, what'd you get?
Chicken salad wrap.
Out of 10?
I would say maybe a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Okay.
The fries, maybe a 6.
All right, 6 for the fries. River, what'd you get?
A hot dog.
Okay. How was the hot dog? Good? Out of 10? 7 out of 10? What'd you get?
Chicken salad.
And what was it? Out of 10?
7.
7 out of 10. Competing reviews from the 2 chicken salad people.
Clayton.
Have
Clayton,
the wrap.
Clayton, how do you like your nachos, dude?
Clayton says chips. Chips.
Yeah, good job. I got the barbecue. Barbecue is probably a 7 out of 10. You know, I think the only bad thing about that place, Mom, was there was no clear gluten-free option for Maddie, but they were able to accommodate. So.
Yeah.
17, well, almost 18 miles. Took us about 2.5 hours. Maybe a little bit more for eating. But Mom, what do you think out of 10?
I had a great time. I would say definitely 9.5 out of 10 or 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I'd do it again in a
Nine-
heartbeat.
9.5. Again? Maddie, what about you?
My butt hurts.
Would you do it again?
Yeah.
I think the 0.5 is because all of our butts hurt.
I got sweat rolling in my eyes.